greetings to everyone, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here for celebration of birth anniversary of Gandhiji and Lal Bahadur Shastri. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this celebration, which is actually a digital celebration. So, let me ask you a simple question. The Gandhiji, father of nation, for the first time?
Can I?
Yes.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Sorry, it's wrong.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, it's correct. Subhash Chandra Bose called Gandhiji for the first time father of nation. Gandhiji was known for peacefulness, truthfulness, and honesty. One of the incidents I remember today of his honesty. Gandhiji was when he was in his school, once an inspector came to his school and he gave some words by dictation and they had to write it down. The one of the word he had been mistaken. The word was kettle. The teacher told him to copy the other person, but he said that I would not. The teacher became angry and said, "You are disgrace." And Gandhiji replied, "I would be called disgrace or something else. I don't care about it, but I could not be dishonest." This was something which was qualities of Gandhiji. If you will see, Lal Bahadur Shastri, he was also having some of these qualities. He was a great follower of Gandhiji and always thought for peacefulness. Now let me know who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. I repeat,
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
the answer is Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri gave this slogan for the first time when the social issues were going on. He meant that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan means for the country, the farmers as well as the soldier play an important role in running of the country. That is, farmers and soldier both are important. One fights on the boundary and other plays an important role in life of everybody. This was something which both of them had as their qualities. Peacefulness and non-violence were most famous of these. And with this, I would like to start this program and welcome you all in this virtual or digital conference. Thank you.
Sana.
Yes. So we will start the program now. Myself, Sana from class 9th. So be the change that you wish to see in the world. So myself, Sana from class 9th. So today we are here to celebrate the Gandhi Jayanti. And this is a special quote said by Gandhiji. Gandhiji's life has been a very struggling life. So now our Ranjana ma'am is going to speak about their life. So I request Ranjana ma'am to go forward and speak.
Okay. So good morning, everyone. That as we know that we are gathered here for the celebration of birth anniversary of two legends, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. So, respected principal and my dear students, Gandhiji says the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. We are not lucky to see Bapu with our eyes, but what we have learned about Gandhiji is really astonished us. Once the renowned scientist Albert Einstein said about Gandhiji, generation to come will scarce believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walk upon this earth. I can really relate to this because I really wonder how a man can be a synonymous of great qualities like peace, love, non-violence, self-respect, determination, and truth. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His parents were really great because they inculcate the values of truth, love, and never giving up the spirit in him. This proves that the role of parents and the teachers is really important because they give us new meaning and direction to our lives. Discipline and self-restraint played a very important role in transforming Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi into Mahatma Gandhi. I strongly believe that if we adopt the qualities of discipline and self-restraint in our life, it will take us to the great heights. Yes, it is true. Today, when whole environment is contaminated with the malice of communalism, hatred, cultural clashes, terrorism, corruption, greed, gender, discrimination, and violence, the lessons from the life of Gandhiji become remarkably important. Gandhiji enlightened the whole world with the principle of truth, non-violence, non-stealing, fearlessness, simplicity, gender equality, and many more. If we understand this principle in a profound sense and try to inculcate them in our life, the world will be heaven. So I request you all, let's take a pledge and come forward to celebrate this national festival in a true sense. On delivering beautiful speeches, lighting up the candles and uh, giving floral tributes won't help. If we want to make Bharat as a Bapu dream, for it we have to start now. As Mahatma Gandhi says, you must be change you wish to see in the world. And last, I want to conclude here by Gandhiji's favorite prayers. So I requested all of you, please close your eyes and just remind him in your heart. Okay, all of you, just close your eyes. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम. Thanks one and all for giving an opportunity to open my heart. Thank you everyone, and this is the very great opportunity to open my heart about this great son. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Strength does not come from physical capacity. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. It comes from an indomitable will. Thank you, Ranjana ma'am, for this incredible speech. So now I would request Rishabh Yardari to give another speech on great our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I am Rishabh. Here, I am going to tell about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is very important criteria. So we'll start now. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Ji Modi, on 2nd October 2014. It means on the today's date. So on this day, a lot of members were collected on a huge quantity. 3 million people, and 3 million people includes the politicals, every people, and all the criteria and done on that stage. So this is done on 115th birth anniversary of Gandhiji. and this is a huge level, means national level campaign run by the government, and also it is run by the Ministry of Drinking Water and Ministry of the local and urban members who are in the politics. Everybody has to follow this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So it is India's largest cleanliness drive to date, with many people, government, employees and students from the schools, towns, villages and everywhere the people are connected on this day. Now, nowadays, main issue is about the lockdown and corona. So now no one is doing this, but every time and every year, this day is celebrated as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and everywhere it is cleanliness. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan will be successful only when we all have to give a support to it. So this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is made by government to make a very serious criteria and very issue in all our surrounding. So support everybody Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Now stay home, stay free, stay safe.
Yes, ma'am. You must not lose faith in humanity. You must not lose Gandhiji. Now, I will request Sanjana Sonure to speak up about their life principles now. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjana. Today I'm going to tell some principles of the Mahatma Gandhi. First, change yourself. Change yourself. The world also change. As the man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of the world change towards him. You need not wait to see what others do. Second, you are in a control. Nobody can hurt you without your permission. What you feel and how you react to something is always up to you. You can choose your own thoughts, reactions, and emotions to pretty much everything. Third, forgive and let it go. And I ends up making the world blind. Fourth, without action, you are not. And once of practice is worth more than tons of preaching without taking action. Very little will be done. However, taking action can be hard and difficult. There can be much inner resistance.
Preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong. The whole nation has to be strong. This is the famous quote by Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. Today, this is the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. So this is the speech of our great leader, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So I welcome Vivek Bakse for this speech on Shastri Ji. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today I am here to say something about Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He was an exceptional leader with positive attitude. Shastriji was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai to a Hindu family. His father, Prasad Srivastava, was a school teacher, and his mother, Ram Dulari Devi, was a housewife. He lost his father at the age of 6 when during the plague epidemic. The patriotic feeling he got from the teacher named Nishma Kishore Mishra. In 1921, just before 3 months of his 10th class examination, he attended a session addressed by Mahatma Gandhi in Varanasi. Mahatma Gandhi addressed the students to withdraw from government educational institutions and join non-cooperation movement. Motivated by the session, he withdrew from the school very next day and joined the local congress. He was among the first batch of Kashi Vidyapit who passed out in a first class degree in ethics and philosophy in 1925. He got the title Shastri, which means scholar.
God never loses hope because he never believes in the ultimate trump of truth. He strongly believed in God. To him, God were life, truth, love, light, morality, fearlessness, and above all this. Now I request Vaishnavi Tangdi to present her beautiful words.
Good morning, I am Vaishnavi Tangdi from class 9. Today we are here to celebrate the special occasion Gandhi Jayanti. Every one of us had a question: what will Gandhiji do if he is still alive? Or how would Gandhiji have reacted to New India if he was still alive in 2020? It is difficult to predict what kind of action he would have been taken because his matched action has involved a time where not changed from one situation to another. We will therefore not venture any guess as to what Gandhiji would have done to address any primary issue, but only the program based on the principle he had laid down. As you all know, the Mahatma Gandhi on the power of truth, love, and non-violence. He said that love is the strongest force the world possesses. All the religion of the world, while mosques is differ from one another, unite nothing lives in the world but truth. I stop here and I wish to give the teachers thank you, especially Rana ma'am, and thank you. Bye.
Songs on Gandhiji. So now I request Sanchita to present her beautiful song in front of us, and I also request you all to listen it with a great happiness with remember of our father of nation.
Sinha Mehta gave this song Vaishnava Janatu Pire Pariyeji. This song was being influenced by Gandhiji the most. He was one of the followers of the saint and was liking this song the most. The meaning of this song is really auspicious and marvelous. If one listens to it, he will be really graceful for being singing it again and again. The meaning is one who is Vaishnav, devotee of Vishnu, knows the pain of others, does good to others without letting pride enter his mind. A Vaishnav tolerates and praises the entire world, does not speak ill of others, keep his promises, actions and thoughts pure. Your mother is blessed indeed. A Vaishnav sees everything equally, rejects greed and avarice, respects women as he respects his own mother. Though his tongue may tire, he will utter no untruth, never touches the property of other. A Vaishnav does not succumb to worldly attachments. He has renounced the lust of all types of angles. The poet Narsi will like to see such a person by whose virtue the entire family gets salvation. So with this, I would like to sing this song in front of all of you. So the song is Vaishnava Jana To Dene Kahiye Tere Kahiye Je Peer Paran Jane वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो मन अभिमान नाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो मन अभिमान नाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। सकल लोक मां सहुनी वंदे निंदा ना करेगे नीरे। बाच काच मन निश्चल राखी धन धन जननी तेनी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जानी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जानी रे। Thank you.
The best way to find ourselves is to lose ourselves in the service of others. The best way to find ourselves is to lose ourselves in the service of others. Last but not the least, a very big thank to one and all who made this event memorable. I would also like to thank our principal sir, Dr. Wilson Thomas, the principal of Siddha Public School, for giving a huge platform in the pandemic of COVID-19. I would also like to thank Ma'am Ranjana ma'am for giving us a platform to represent us. I would also like to thank my colleagues for cooperation. Thank you once again.